Well, here at KBOI2 News, we're real excited about what's coming up on Saturday. Walk MS.
And I think you should participate, Rick Douglas.
Yeah. Well, I have to produce the newscast, so I won't be able to be there. But if you can't be there, we are going to have a special show live from Ann Morrison Park.
I think it.
Julia Davis Park. What
Julia
am I saying?
Davis.
Of course, Julia Davis Park.
Well, let's go to the graphic.
Let's go to the graphic.
I believe it's on the
Because we have a
graphic.
special graphic.
Julia Davis Park.
See,
sure
there
enough.
you go.
Saturday from 8 a.m. to noon, Walk MS, and we're one of the sponsors. And I'm thinking you should do this, Rick Douglas.
What's that?
First thing in the morning, and then you should head over to Fort Boise.
Really?
And do
To the race to Roby
the toughest
Creek?
race in
Oh,
the
yeah.
Northwest.
Oh,
and
yeah.
then do race to Roby Creek starting at noon. I'm thinking maybe it would take you 2
You're
or 3
just
hours.
going to fill my weekend, aren't you?
And then you can be back in time for
to produce the shows?
Yeah, and deliver the news. I think that would be a full Saturday for you. A lot of things going on
It
Saturday.
would be a full Saturday.
All right, let's take a look at the weather headlines. Warm and breezy for today. Windy and rainy Tuesday. Warming late in the weekend, then a nice weekend. But we have some interesting weather over the next 48 hours to get through. Beautiful blue sky. Nice looking day out there. 58 degrees already. Bit of a breeze already. 12 miles per hour, but downright windy for tomorrow. Here's what we have on the wide view. We have a couple disturbances. One right here that will push up into Canada. No real factor for our weather, but this one, much different story. You're going to have a strong cold front. Already seeing some rain showers there in western Washington, but clear skies across southwestern Idaho. A few clouds to our north. Here's our futurecast to give you some idea of the timing. There's the frontal system pushing on through. That's 6:55 in the morning, just before 7. After that, pushes on through windy conditions and then some hit and miss showers. I think most of our precipitation in the morning, and it will be rain or a rain-snow mix, and snow levels down as low as 3,500 feet. And with Tuesday's disturbance, that means some snow, 6 to 12 inches for the mountains in northern Utah. They have a winter storm watch in effect. Also, the winds will be picking up. A high wind watch could see some gusts to 55 miles per hour in eastern Idaho. Not quite as strong here. Wind advisory in effect for Tuesday until 9 o'clock. I think the strongest winds probably in the late afternoon, early evening hours here in the Treasure Valley. Satellite map again has some clouds just off to our northwest. Here's our tight-in futurecast. We have 9:45. A few clouds moving in, and then there's the bulk of our precipitation in the morning at about 7:25. Then just kind of spotty stuff after that. And the other story will be the rain. Some light amounts mainly in Boise, maybe 2/100ths of an inch at best, and also some high elevation snow. Not a lot, but anywhere from 2 to 5 inches. We have 1 to 3 here on the map, and 3 inches in Stanley and around McCall. Also, the winds will be picking up, the especially strong winds once that front moves on through, and then the winds switch over from the northwest, and they'll be especially strong when you see the darker colors here. There's 10 and there's 6 o'clock, so the strongest winds right around Mountain Home to Twin Falls. Here is our forecast. First off, the Twin Falls area, sunny and much warmer for today. And for the Boise area, you're looking at daytime highs quite warm today, but very chilly for tomorrow. About a 30-degree temperature drop. And then temperatures rebound and sunshine as we head into the weekend. Rick?